Thank you very much.
Dr. M. Thambidurai ji.
Chairman, sir, for giving the opportunity to support this bill brought by the Honorable Education Minister, Pradhan sir. As Minister in his remark he said, our Honorable Prime Minister is committed certain things for the development of the Ladakh area. That is why when created the Union Territory to fulfill the aspirations of that area people, this university has Honorable Prime Minister accepted, and therefore our Education Minister introduced the bill. So I may always appreciating our Prime Minister is taking a lot of action to develop the education in India. After he is coming out of the power, so many reforms took place. I appreciate that, and also university education particularly. University education is meant for research and other activities. But what is happening? There are private universities nowadays. Instead of concentrating on research and other activities, they have become a commercial one. There are many private universities in Sterling. Already I told the minister also, when you are taking a university, there must be some limit for intake for the university. It may be 4,000, 5,000, let it be, I have not an objection. But some universities are 50,000, 60,000 they are admitting. That is not the university at all. That is going on. I think I request the Honourable Minister to look into this matter. At the same time, sir, especially Ladakh. Ladakh is a very important area. It's a part of our India, you know very well. And also, they are having their culture. India is multi-linguistic culture, I can appreciate. Therefore, the central university, which is coming in the Ladakh, the aspiration of the local definitely is going to fulfill. And also, the Sindhu name as given is a very appreciable. I appreciate that. Sindhu is a culture, our Indian culture. It's a world known. Therefore, when you are giving the university, the name also is selected proper name, which is the Sindhu, means that is the ancient civilization. Not only in the Sindhu area, we are seeing many parts of India, including Tamil Nadu, many places, we are finding our culture, wherever the ancient culture for years together has come, it is coming out like that. Therefore, I appreciate once again, and also the particularly Honorable Prime Minister of India, to come forward to fulfill the aspiration of the Sindhu people, the Ladakh people, to establish Sindhu Central University. Once again, I thank the Honorable Minister coming forward this weekend. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Thambidurai ji. Honorable V. Prabhakar Reddy.
On behalf of our party,